Hey YouTube. Alright, I want to share with you my vice grip drawer. I have a whole drawer out of my Milwaukee toolbox that just has vice grip pliers. Yeah, maybe it's going a little overboard, but I like them. You never know what you're going to run across. And these are very versatile and handy tools. It's just all about using your imagination as to how you're going to use it to get the job done. But anyway, let's just take a closer look. There's my larger ones. They're like 10 inches, 7-inch ones, and some smaller ones. Got the chain, got the ones that you can clamp down on a shaft, pinching off lines, good stuff there. Some clamps, needle nose, it's good stuff. And that's about it. At work, this is the one I have at work. I've already used it several times, and it was pretty much the only tool that could help me get the job done. So it's good stuff there. But and you know, I just wanted to point out that I used to have a proto set of blocking pliers. I think they're made over in Spain. Just from personal experience, especially if you're doing any welding, don't waste your money. Go with these, or what Milwaukee has. I think Milwaukee has some pretty good ones out. But even though these are made overseas, these are still some of the best ones out there. So if you're gonna buy some, just buy the vice grip name or Milwaukee. So either way, you can't go wrong with those. But anyway, guys, there it is. Just wanted to share with you my drawer full of vice grip tools. So either way, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy. Later.